Hello, welcome to the Jmeter channel. This is a chapter number one, Jmeter installation. My name is Antonio Jimenez. I also have this same Jmeter channel in Spanish. If you want to switch or want to take a look, you are free to go. It's the same Jmeter Spanish or Jmeter Español. Well, in this video, we're going to check the Java version that we have installed in our computer. We are going to download Jmeter, unpack Jmeter, and open Jmeter tool. I have a Mac computer, so the way to check in Mac or Linux in the command line, you just type java-version. It's the same for Windows. You just need to open up PowerShell and just type java-version. You will have the version of Java that you have installed. In this computer, I have installed Java 8 release 121. I have the runtime environment version. You can download the developer's kit. It's up to you. It also works. So only remember that you need to have installed Java 8 and above. Previous version of Jmeter could work with Java 7, but right now they are not using it anymore. Probably because Jmeter in the previous version, I mean in Java in the previous version, Java 7, does not fully support TLS. That, as you may know, it's all over internet, TLS. So probably that's why, or one of the reasons why they have pushed to use the version of Java 8 and above. So once that you have validated that you have the correct version, install it. If not, you have to migrate it. There are many tutorials how to migrate your version of Java. So I'm not going to waste my time showing that. So we're going to download the Jmeter tool. To download the Jmeter tool, we need to go to the URL jmeter.apache.org. And in here, you're going to click on download releases. For Mac or Linux, I recommend to download the tar file, the TGC file, because it preserves the permissions of the files. If you download the zip file, probably you will need to change some of the permissions. This version, it's more for Windows users, and this for Unix users, Linux or Mac. So once that you have downloaded, we're going to proceed to unpack it. Also in here in the archives, at the bottom, you can go to the folder binaries and you can download some of the legacy version of Jmeter. In some projects, probably you need to download these versions because your legacy scripts need to be migrated. The best way to migrate it is opening it with the correct version of Jmeter. If there are some stuff that are not compatible with the latest version, probably you will need to delete it or change it. For example, BSF, it's deprecated. Sometimes it's hard to migrate it, but you can use Visual or GSR3 to execute it, or Ruby scripting. That's the best approach. Use the correct version of the legacy Jmeter to migrate the script, or even if you need to run it in that version, it's okay. I mean, I have some legacy scripts in the version 2.12, and for me right now it's okay, and also for the customer, we are covering its needs. So once that you have already downloaded, we're going to proceed to the unpacking. In Mac or Linux, it's easy. You just double click, or in command line tar -xbf the tar file, we're going to have some folders, the binary folders. The binary folder where you can see the batch file or the sh or shell scripting file. This is the one that we're going to execute in Unix computers. We also have some documentation, a library folder where you have the most common jars that we're going to use. So once we have already unpacked, we are going to execute the Jmeter shell. It's going to open a new command line, and also it's going to give you some hints of the heap size used. We're going to go deep into the heap size when we reach execution mode. But they have already made a great tuning Jmeter for the heap size. Well, this is a tool. We're going to cover most of the sections in the following videos, but we are succeed in installing the Jmeter tool, and stay tuned. Thank you very much.